your LinkedIn ads and promoting your company, your content, your products and services here on LinkedIn to all over the world, to all the people that are interested on your products and services. So let's explore advertise on LinkedIn, and we will work here with three types of ads. First, the first step is for you to go to ads.linkedin.com. Also, I will add this link on the resources area of this lecture, so you can go ahead and download the PDF if you want and save it for on your archives. So this is the way to add to access the advertisement area here on LinkedIn. The other way to access is if you are on your profile, you can come here to work on the top right hand side and click on advertise. This will drive you to the same page. It's the same that going to ads.linkedin.com. So here we are. If we scroll down here, let me show you. We will work with sponsored content. This is a number, the first option we are using here on this model. So basically we are promoting specific posts, specific content, articles that you create here on LinkedIn. This is the number one option. The second one is a sponsor in email. Sponsor email, that you will have the chance to email, to send messages, private message to specific users here on LinkedIn with your message. So you see here, this is the message board, and you see here the third one is from John Smith, for example, and he's saying sponsor. That means that this guy, this company paid for this message to be delivered to this user. And here they share their ideas. They said, okay, sign up here for the free trial, visit my website, sign for this, go to my landing page, so you can do all this good stuff, contacting the user directly using email sponsor ads. And the last one we are using is a text ad. The text ad looks like this. If you go to your profile, you will see on the right side a square exactly like this one, where you can have the logo of your company, a headline, a great headline that is clickable, that will drive people to a specific link, and a small description for them so they can visit your website. This is exactly, we have a clear example here of the tech ads on my profile. Here we are on my profile. In the right side we see ads you may be interested in, and we have three options here with the clickable link, so I can drive, they are driving basically traffic to their website. Okay, these are the ads that we are working, that you will learn how to do here on this model. This is powerful because millions of people are here on LinkedIn every day using this platform, and you have the chance now to invest a little bit of money to reach these people and convert these people into. Now we are ready. Let's start creating.
Subscribe to my channel.